Hey, all right, let's get to this turban head wrap. Ooh, look at that. Look at all its length. Yes, this fabric will be used to wrap the bonnet. Length for days. Look at that. Premium satin. Yes, 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 yes. All right. So you put on the bonnet. And you grab the extra piece of fabric, put it on your shoulders. And you wrap it, but you want to make sure that it lays flat on the side. And then you lay it flat on the other side. And then you twist. This is the most important thing to make sure that it stays and that it's cute. And then you do a crossover in the back. You don't need to twist in the back. You just need to cross it over. Don't worry about the puff. You'll handle that later. All right, go ahead and cross that again. And then you tuck the ends. I am the tuck queen, okay? You can do all kinds of things like bows and all of that, but this is the easiest under 3 minutes kind of thing you want to do, right? So you tuck the bottom or the fabric. So then you just tuck around. Tuck, 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 tuck. So you just tuck in everything in, all the loose fabric in. You know, look in the mirror, see what's going on, seeing how your hair looking. More tucking, more tucking. All right. All right. All right. On the side. Down. Okay. Yep. Tuck, tuck. Tight. That's it.